welcome to all of you. Myself Ikra, by the side of English Zone English Training Academy. Today, we are going to face a debate which is on value versus wealth. It's a common question for all of us, so let's try to understand. If money can buy our needs, so ethics and respect can earn the goodwill. So, I would like to start with the great proverbs of Swami Vivekananda. It is said that if you lost your wealth, it means you lost nothing. If you have lost your health, it means you lost something. But in the opposite side, if you have lost your character, you have lost everything. The thousands of persons that shows the example, like APJ Abdul Kalam, Swami Vivekananda, Mahatma Gandhi, to whom we know by their karma. They were not having the luxurious life, but only for their effort we are learning about it. It has already shown that to being a repetition person can survive a good life for us.
Yes, ma'am, I agree with your point, but you know, there are a lot of examples. These people are known by money, like Bill Gates, Mukesh Ambani. And my second point is that why we humans are running behind the money, not the moral and ethics, because they are value and they can't transfer to us food, shelter, and our necessary item.
Yes, my dear brother, I am agree with your point, but I want to cross your point. Money can be bad, but not love. Money can be act, but not love. Money can be medicine, money can be medicine, but not health.
Excuse me, ma'am. I agree with your point. As you spoke your previous lines, let me pass my point of view. As you spoke that money can buy a bed, not to sleep. But we have only respect, not money. So we can't buy a bed cautiously to sleep. Money is more important in human life. I say that respect is also important in human life, but money is more important than respect. And when we get we can't get education without money. So how can you say that money is not important in human life?
Yes, ma'am, I agree with your point, but my point that is the we seems are bad your life, your values, whatever we seems are bad what values, but
So my dear brother wants to tell that we human took the birth to sin, means we are making our own life to create our reputation. But if we lost our money, so we can earn again. But if you have lost your character in the society, so can you make it again proper? Not of course. His intention was to sell. But you have already told that, of course I can agree, money can buy the bed but not the sleep. Money can buy the medicine but not the health. But the value for the value you love, trust. The thing is called happiness. From the value you call satisfaction. Thing is called ethics and morality.
Yes, ma'am, I agree with your point of view, but nowadays money is everything and money will be everything. The main reason behind it, whatever we want in life, without money we don't have it. Like it said that it's at the end of the day. It's at the end of the day.
Yes, ma'am, I agree with your point. If you have a luxury, so you don't enjoy your moment, so you don't measurable your point.
I want to talk that if in your family there is a 10 members, but you have no money to feed them, so how can you survive in your life? If you want food and house and clothes, so you require money, not values. In your house, when you come, the values didn't pass you food and anything, and the basic things.
So my dear sister, you have told that I do agree that money can be something, but not be everything. In that we are living in a humanity. In that our Indian culture provides the value. Our value has grown by the side of our culture too. Our culture are having the value in itself. For what we are going to celebrate the purpose of the festival. It means we are living in this country to show the value first and the wealth is end. If I will pass you two options, that which thing you will choose? The money, otherwise your reputation. You can choose the money too, but can you live with happiness? Can you pass your answer to yourself that I have lost my reputation in the society? How will I answer to myself? The thing is called that morality.
While money may not bring your happiness, but without having money you certainly become an unhappy person. Like money, without money you can't fulfill your stomach also, and you can't able to
Yes, my dear brother, I want to tell you, I'm agree with your point, but it's wrong. Money is do something, but not everything. It's important our life. Money is not everything. Money is the mean of payment. It can be enjoy our life.
Ma'am, I agree with your point, but when we want to live a life with happiness, so we also need money. Being rich is not necessarily the part of happiness, but we want to live a life with happiness, so we need money. We have money, so we can fulfill our essential necessity like house, food, and also clothes. And we have only respect, not money, so we can't fulfill our essential necessity. And a person can't fulfill our essential necessity, so how we live in earth?
Yes, ma'am, you are right, but I tell my point. The life without values and good friends becomes horrible. Like I give an example. Swami Vivekananda, APJ Abdul Kalam and Mahatma Gandhi also not have money, but he have a value. So in all our world he knowing about his value.
Yes, brother, I agree with your point of view, but my point is like you are going in bus, so you are tell like you not having money. So you tell to conductor, I am not having money. In my society, I am having very big reputation. So they have take you like you go there.
Yes, ma'am, I agree with your point. But you go society. So society's main important reputation, not a money. You go society so low. So somebody said, you give me a money is not. Societies check your reputations.
If you are talking about reputation and value, so I want to tell that now the times the reputation is known by the education, and we want higher education, so we need money, because in the college and in the schools there is requirement of money, because you want higher education. So in the society we know that all people are known by the education, and for that we require money, not the values.
So guys, the thing is again come on the same question that which thing is important? Well, otherwise value. We pass our views. Let me tell something of the conclusion of this debate, that money, it can be necessary for our life, because being have a character, you will earn more. To being a presentation in your life, you will get something, because the thing start from the value and it will get till the wealth. So I hope you have understood by our debate, and thank you so much to pass a few precious time.